Chingo Cosmetic Company Limited was founded in 2007, located in Guangzhou City. It is only 25 kilometers away from the Guangzhou Baiyuan International Airport. The factory of our company covers an area of 9,000 square meters. Our company is a professional manufacturer who is specialized in manufacturing the skin, care, body care, hair care, baby care. Certified with the certificates of U.S. Standard GMP and EU Standard ISO 22716. Our factory owns a high-tech R&D team with 8 chemical and biomedical engineers. Our expertise staff on formulating, manufacturing, quality assurance, package designing, testing, and sales can assist you on your private formulating, packaging, and labeling, if need. Full automatic and semi-automatic 15 production lines in total with great production capacity. Equipped with high-end facilities including emulsifying, mixing, filling, packing machine, and other cosmetics facilities that satisfied with big OEM services and customized order requirements. Our products had already sold to USA, Europe, Australia, UK, and Middle East in the past 15 years, and get good reputation from customers at home and abroad because of our strict quality control and responsibility. In the future, we will try our best to provide more and more stratified services to meet your taste with a grateful heart and more active attitude. Sincerely welcome to our factory.